Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your hair color in a photo using Wing. So here, I've already opened the Wing apps on my phone, and you can start by going to the hair options here on the home page. You can see this one here. Then select the photos that you want to edit. Okay, this one, tap on start. Now you can see there are lots of hair color that you can choose. There are some free one, and also there are some that you need to pay for it. Let's try this gray. You can see it will change instantly. Dark brown, gray, taffy. So just choose which one that you want. I'm thinking I'm going to go with the dark brown. Here you can adjust the intensity. And if you are on the VIP, or if you are VIP user on Wing, you can also make your hair looks fluffy like this. It will add volume to your hair. So here is the before and this is the after. I think I like the result because it looks it looks natural. Now you can just tap on save if you want to save the photo. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.